Java program structure, Java program structure, or you can say Java syntax, Java program structure or Java syntax. See, first I will explain syntax, then I will show example, Java program example. First, syntax. See, first step, package declaration statement. It will generate automatically if you select package declaration statement. See, once you create Java package, then you can create number of classes under that package. Okay. For example, what is our package? This is package Selenium testing. Example, just a minute. Sindhu, observe this first statement. What is the first statement? Package Selenium testing na. Our class. What is this class? Class name Java program. This Java program belongs to the Selenium testing package. Selenium testing. This is first one. Next, import statements. Import statements, one or more. Suppose if you don't want to use any built-in classes, you no need to import anything. If you want to access built-in libraries, you can import. Import statements. Say we can import built-in and user-defined libraries. See, we can import built-in and user-defined libraries using import keyword. This is Java keyword. Example, import java dot io dot console semicolon. Here also semicolon as package example also. java.io.console. Here, Krishna Chaitanya, what is Java in this scenario? Observe that import statement. What is Java?
Is a package?
No, Java is project. Project. Next, what is this IO?
No idea.
Package. Next, console. See capital for classes, capital letter. First letter, capital letter. This is class. See, we are importing console class from IO package under Java project. Then we can access all class members from this console class. Another example, this is one example. Example 1. Suppose example 2. Example 2. Just a minute. Dot star semicolon. Sindhu, observe what is the difference between first example and second example? Here IO dot star
Last stitch.
means
Yeah, IO dot star.
Means all classes from IO package.
Okay.
See, in the first example, I want to import only console class from IO package, only single class. But this time I want to import all classes from that IO class, IO package. See, all classes from IO package. You no need to write class by class. Use this one. See, this is about import statements. Why we need to import built-in libraries in order to access class members, variables and methods. We have to import built-in and built-in or user-defined classes. Next, third. See, first one package declaration, second one import statements, one or more. Next, third one class declaration. Actually, it is not statement, it is block. See, every statement should end with semicolon. For blocks, we use curly braces. See, blocks enclosed with curly braces. Blocks enclosed with curly braces. See, example in our this one we used now. What is that one? Java program. See, in between these two curly, see, so many classes. Okay, Kailash. Fourth one, comments section. Comments optional but best practice. Comments section. For example, don't concentrate on this syntax. I will explain this syntax in comments chapter. See, 2 forward slashes. This is a sample program. This is a sample program. Next, fifth one. See, I'm explaining complete structure of Java program. Based on your program requirement, you can use. Suppose if you don't want to write comments, you leave. But some statements mandatory, some blocks mandatory. Suppose main method is mandatory, class declaration is mandatory, import statements optional. Based on your requirement, you can use. If you don't want to import anything, you no need to write import statements. Suppose conditional blocks, loop blocks. If you don't want to use any condition or any loop in your program, you no need to write. Declaration. Suppose if you don't want to use any variables in your program, you no need to declare. But I am going to explain complete Java program structure. Based on your requirement, you can use. See, fifth one, main method. Main method. What is main method? Program execution. Program execution starts from main method. If you don't use main method, then you can't execute the program. Say it is the mandatory. It is the mandatory in every Java program. See, main method is mandatory in every Java program. Main method is mandatory in every Java program. Next, we have main method now. Here, I will explain all keywords. Public. You can guess what is public. Krishna Chaitanya. What is public? Try to identify the keyword.
It is accessible. It is
Access
accessible
modifier.
throughout the program.
Okay. It is access modifier. Accessible to all. Next, static. It is non-access modifier. Non-access modifier. What is the purpose of this static? See, using static non-access modifier, we can use main method without invoking any object. See, in general, for accessing any method, object required. Object dot method. Without object also we can access methods. How? Using static keyword, we can invoke methods without object. We can access methods without invoking any object. See, purpose. Use main method without invoking any object. Without invoking any object. Next, void. Void means returns nothing. Here actually this main method purpose is not returning any value. It is only for executing the program. See, returns nothing. Next, main is method. What is string, Chaitanya?
Which can hold group of characters.
Okay. String, you can use as object also, but here string class. Next, declarations. Sixth one. Declarations. Declarations. Tell me, Kailash, generally what we declare in computer programming? What we declare? Kailash. What we declare in computer programming?
Sir, hello.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Tell me, Kailash. I'm getting your
Packages,
voice.
yeah, yeah. Packages,
Pardon?
package, class,
No, no, no. What we declare in computer programs. Okay, okay, put mute. Gayatri, what we declare generally?
Declare variables, sir, whatever we are using in the
Yes,
program.
variables. Any other? Constants also, na? We declare
Right, sir.
variables and constants. Constant. Constant holds fixed value. Variables vary, but constants never change. See, we declare variables and constants. Suppose you take VB script, variable declaration is different, constant declaration is different. Using dim statement, we declare variables. Using const, C-O-N-S-T, const statement, we declare constants in VB script. But in Java, we just use final modifier, non-access modifier for declaring constants. Observe. Example, int a equal to 10, semicolon. Int a equal to 10. This is variable declaration. You can declare multiple variables also. Int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 30, comma c equal to 40, semicolon. Or declaration one statement, int a, next value assignment another statement. See. Next constant. See, we use final modifier. This is non-access modifier. See, final, just a minute. Example for declaration of variables. Next, constant declaration. See, final is non-access modifier. Final int x equal to, int is data type, x is constant name. In the above example, int is data type, a is variable name, 10 is value. See, int x equal to 100, semicolon. See, it never change. Constant value never change. See, this is about declaration part in Java program. Next, We used this one na. This is not separate one. This is one statement. Silpa, in the system.out.println, regularly we use this statement. In this statement, what is this system? I think Krishna Chaitanya can answer it. Krishna, what is this system?
It's a project.
It is a class. Don't confuse, don't compare with the import statements. That is different.
Okay.
Out, object, class, object, method. Println is method. Next, hello Java. Hello Java is just message. See next, conditional blocks, one or more based on your program requirement. Conditional blocks. Next, loop blocks. Next, method declarations. Next, method calls, calling methods, etc. See, this is the structure of Java program, or you can say Java syntax. Tell me Sindhu, Java program structure. Nearly we discussed 7
First
steps.
is yes, sir. The first step is package declaration statements.
Package declaration. Next.
Second one is import statements. Third one is class declaration. Fourth one is comment section. Fifth one is main method. Sixth one is declarations. Seventh one is conditional blocks, loop blocks, method declarations.
Yes, based on your requirement. Okay, before the break, I will show an example for this syntax. Then we will take a 10 to 15 minutes break. See, using this syntax, write one Java program. See, a sample, all of you put mute, a sample Java program. A sample Java program. See, a package creation one-time activity. Using the same package, I am going to create one more class, new class. Suppose ABCD. Observe, here you can generate main method automatically. See, I am selecting this main method, finish. See, package statement generated, class name. Suppose I am importing, import Java dot io dot console semicolon. Why this white marking? See, just we are importing, but we didn't use this console class. If we use this console class in our program, then it will remove that yellow marking. Otherwise, yellow marking. Just imported. Next, if you want to, suppose I want to import entire package, all classes from any package. Import java.lang. Lang is one package. See. Main method is there. Next, suppose comments. Simple comment. This is a sample program. This is a sample program. Next, just a minute before this one. Next, declaration. For example, int a equal to 100 b comma c semicolon. See, I declared 3 variables but assigned value to one variable only. Later I will assign values to remaining variables. Variables declaration. Next, I want to suppose I want to assign value to b variable. B equal to 20 semicolon. Next, I want to declare one constant. Final int money. Money is constant name. You can use any name. Equal to 100 semicolon. Constant declaration. Next, I want to display one statement. See, SYSO control space. See, shortcut for the statement SYSO control space. Message addition of a comma b is concatenate plus sign. Anyhow, that I will explain in operators chapter. A plus b. A plus b. Next, I want to use one conditional block. If condition a greater than b, if a greater than b, this is block statement. Every statement should end with semicolon, but condition is not statement, it is block of statements, loop, block of statements, method, block of statements. See, if a greater than b, open curly braces, enter. See, close curly braces also generated. Next, SYSO control space. A is a big number, small condition. A is a big number. After this closing curly braces, you can write else part. Else, again open curly braces. In the same line you can open. This time, see, display is statement. B is a big number. Over. This is conditional block. Next, I will use one loop block. Loop block. For example, for C equal to 1 semicolon C less than or equal to 10 semicolon C plus plus increment, open curly braces, close. Next, system dot out dot println of C. Observe, Silpa, what is the output of this for loop?
One.
What is the output of for loop? It will print 1 to 10 numbers, na?
1 to 10, yeah.
It will print 1 to 10 numbers. See, first initial C equal to 1. C less than or equal to 10 C plus plus. So it will print 1 to 10 numbers.
1 to 10.
Next, what is the output of this condition block? Observe the variables A equal to 100, B equal to 20. Observe the condition A greater than B. Condition is true or false? Condition is true, na?
Yes.
Then what is the output?
A is a bigger number.
A is a big number. Okay. See, observe. Just a minute. Remove blank lines. No syntax issue. If you use blank lines, then it performance, program execution performance will be reduced. But sometimes we need to use blank lines. Whenever you start condition or loop, leave one blank line. That is standard, not syntax rule. Run the program. Observe the output. First output, addition of A comma B is 120. Second output, conditional block. A is a big number. Third output, loop 1 to 10 numbers. Okay na? Krishna Chaitanya, okay na? Sample program.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you take 10 to 15 minutes break. After the break, we will continue Java. Say, we discussed Java program structure and wrote one sample program also. Now form the important syntax rules. Java syntax rules. Form the rules. Sindhu. Java syntax rules. Tell me one syntax rule. Silpa, Java syntax rule. See. Tell me, Aarti. Aarti.
No, nothing, sir.
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me one Java
No,
syntax
I don't
rule.
have any question.
Tell me one Java syntax rule. Already we discussed Java program structure and wrote one example also. Form the rules. Important rules. See.
Must have a class name.
Pardon?
Class
Java
name,
class
the first
name.
letter would be
Yes. Java class
Yes.
name should start with uppercase value. Uppercase value. This is one rule. Next, Java keywords. Example, import, if, for, etc. Java keywords are small letters. Next, every Java statement should end with semicolon symbol. Next, method names. We didn't use methods, but method names start with small letters. Small letters. Next, Java blocks. Block means a set of statements. Java blocks enclosed with Kailash. Java blocks enclosed with curly braces.
Hello?
Yes, curly braces. Next, Java blocks example, condition blocks. Next, loop blocks. Next, method blocks, method, etc. Next, Java program. Java program execution starts from main method. See, these are the important Java syntax rules.